Now what I'm going to do over here is just pull an arc off of a microwave oven transformer. There's my used microwave oven transformer. My small contraption that's going to allow me to pull an arc. This is somewhat dangerous as these microwave oven transformers can easily electrocute you. They put out about 2,000 volts up to about maybe an amp or so. This one's probably about maybe 1,500 to 2,000 at about a half an amp or 500 milliamps. I'm going to dim the lights. Plug in the transformer. And here we go. Quite a bit of current, quite a bright arc. A lot brighter than with the neon sign transformers.